Emily Anderson with RSH Legal. Have you suffered a work injury in Iowa, and because of that injury, have you been fired? In most cases, your next step should be to launch a well-documented job search. If you are terminated from your job, you will need to replace your income. Most injured workers cannot rely on workers' compensation benefits alone as a regular and consistent source of income for you and your family. The benefits you receive may be very limited depending on when and where you were injured. If you are able to work, that is a better choice than relying on workers' compensation benefits. Additionally, legally there are consequences for your workers' compensation claim if you do not apply for work after a termination. If you injure certain parts of your body, the judge has to determine what that injury has done to your ability to work. It is up to you to prove that your work injury prevents you from doing some or all of the work you used to be able to do. The fewer jobs you can do, the more you are owed in permanent disability benefits. One of the factors used to determine how much you are owed is your motivation to return to work. Iowa law says that injured workers who voluntarily leave the workforce simply because they choose not to work are not entitled to permanent disability workers' compensation benefits. Rather, permanent disability benefits are owed to those who want to work, but are now limited in what they can do because of the work injury. That is why it is so important to gather evidence of your motivation to return to work. For example, if you are offered the chance to go back to your old job, in most circumstances, that is a good idea. If you aren't offered the chance, then you need to launch a job search that is well documented. The insurance company or judge is not going to take your word for it that you applied for work. They want to see proof. Print off the job ads you applied for, your cover letters, your applications, so that we can provide that evidence to the insurance company or ultimately a judge if your case cannot be settled. There are other resources you can use in order to get back to work outside of a job search. If you are no longer able to return to your old career, the state of Iowa offers a vocational rehabilitation program. This program can help you embark on a new career, and it serves as evidence of your motivation to return to work. The motivation factor seems to be more and more important to workers' compensation judges who hear these cases. As I say to my clients about their job search, the proof is in the pudding. You can argue all you want that you are not employable. The insurance company can argue all it wants that you are. But if you've applied for a lot of jobs and documented it, and you still aren't working, that is solid evidence that the work injury has impacted your ability to earn. We understand that job hunting isn't fun. You may get a lot of rejections, and that never feels good. But performing an aggressive and well-documented job search can literally mean the difference in hundreds of thousands of dollars. So how can an experienced Iowa workers' compensation attorney help you? A knowledgeable work comp lawyer will provide their clients the tools they need to launch a job search and adequately document that job search. They will also steer you in the direction of vocational rehabilitation services. If a work injury has resulted in your termination, please contact an experienced Iowa workers' compensation attorney for more information. RSH Legal, fighting for fairness for Iowa's injured workers.